Mapsa Additional Sessions Court on Saturday started hearing arguments over the bail application filed by Gaurav Luthra in connection with Burj fire case. Counsel representing Gaurav Luthra contended that he had not escaped Thailand due to this fire incident, but he was having the planned business trip, and for that, before the fire incident, he was in touch with the travel agent and he had booked the flight ticket with the travel agent, and he was in contact with the travel agent 3-4 times prior to the fire incident. Means he had not escaped India due to this fire incident, but due to his planned business trip. Counsel for Gaurav Luthra further contended that the company owned by Gaurav and Saurabh Luthra entered with an agreement with Surinder Kumar Khosla, who was running this restaurant and bar for more than 20 years, and he is not responsible for any illegality of the structure. Counsel for Gaurav Luthra also contended that he was aware about the event happening in the club that particular day, but he was not knowing the minute details of the event that organizer of that event will use cold fire. Counsel for Gaurav Luthra further contended that he cannot be booked for culpable homicide not amounting to murder, section 105 of BNS. Maximum he can be booked under section 106 of BNS for death due to negligence and rash. The court will continue hearing arguments over the bail application of Gaurav Luthra on Monday.
The letter is partly argued. There are two bail applications. Gaurav Luthra's is argued. Saurabh Luthra's will be argued on Tuesday. All probability, arguments of Gaurav Luthra will be concluded on Monday.
जाल्यार हडफडे पंचायतीचो तेन्नाचो सचिव रघुवीर बाक्काराक म्हापशा GMFC कोर्टान 5 दिसांची पुलीस कस्टडी फर्मायल्या. म्हापशेच्या अडिशनल सेशन्स कोर्टान बाक्काराची एंटिसिपेटरी बेल न्हयकारल्या उपरांत तो फरार आशिल्लो. निमणे शुक्रारा पुलिशेन ताका अटक केल्लो.
रिमांड 5 दीस रिमांड दिला. पुलिसांनी धाडचे मागता रिमांड. 5 दीस रिमांड दिला. फक्त आज आपण मेडिकल सर्विस चालू आहे टॅब्लेट ते कंटिन्यू कर आणि कॉपरेट कर इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन.
तशेंच फॉर्ज डॉक्युमेंट वापरून ट्रेड लायसन्स मेळयले म्हूण म्हापशा पुलिसांनी लुथरांचो स्लिपींग पार्टनर अजय गुप्ताक परत अटक केला. अजय गुप्तान खंय गोंयभर 42 कंपनी आणि 27 रेस्टॉरंट हॉटेलांक बोगस सर्टिफिकेटी दिल्ल्यो. शेनवारा म्हापशा GMFC कोर्टान ताका 14 दिसांची ज्युडिशियल कस्टडी फर्मायली. म्हापशा GMFC कोर्टान बच बाय रोमियो लेनाचो ऑपरेशन्स मॅनेजर विजय कुमार सिंगाक लेगीत 14 दिसांची ज्युडिशियल कस्टडी फर्मायल्या.
With Saurabh Shirodkar, Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.